Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 6 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1 from chapter number 3 Kinematics. According to the question, the speed of a car as a function of time is shown in figure 3E1. Find the distance traveled by the car in 8 seconds and its acceleration. In this question we are given a curve, that is velocity versus time curve. Velocity versus time curve. So whenever we are given a velocity versus time curve, the distance or it is given, speed of the car is given. So this is a speed versus time curve. So in speed versus time curve, the distance is calculated by the area under the curve, and the acceleration is equal to slope of the curve. Why is that? Because velocity is equal to distance upon time. So this implies you can write it as ds upon dt. So therefore s would be equal to v dt integral. So therefore we have to find the area under the curve of v versus speed versus time graph, and also acceleration is equal to dv upon dt. So therefore this is equal to slope of the curve. dv by dt is the slope of the curve. So now first part, distance, we have to find the distance in 8 seconds. So if we will look at the curve at 8 seconds, we can see that the velocity at 8 seconds is 20 meter per second. So now if we have to find the area under this graph, it would be equal to the area of this triangle, and the area of the triangle would be equal to half into base into height, that is half into base. Now what is the base length? Base length is 8, and what is the height? Height is equal to 20. So we will put 20. So distance would come out to be 80 meters. Now acceleration we have to find. Acceleration is equal to the slope of the curve, that is dv by dt. And dv by dt, how do you find out the slope? If we take these 2 points, point as a and b, the slope will be, the coordinate of this point is 8, 20, and the coordinate of this point is 0, 0. So the slope of any straight line is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So what is y2? y2 is 20 minus 0 divided by x2 is 8 minus 0. So it would come out to be 20 upon 8, that is 2.5 meter per second square. So the acceleration comes out to be a is equal to 2.5 meter per second square, and distance traveled, suppose distance traveled is x, I am denoting it by x, distance is equal to 80 meters. So that's how you solve the questions of the graph of speed versus time. Thank you.